Welcome everybody to Very Important Geeks, and today we've got something really super special for you today. So, I was watching Squashy Boy's video, this one right here. It's a great video, and it led me to thinking, I have this exact same press that somebody gave me as a gift, so I gotta try it. And the result was what I think is the best, hottest, most premium keyboard of 2022. The Waffle 65. Now the Waffle 65 is obviously a 65% layout keyboard and comes in a polycarbohydrate case, and it's got an industry first self-muting PCB with hot swap capabilities, but you won't find any RGB here. Sorry folks. Now it is a bare bone kit, so you'll have to find your own switches and keycaps, and of course I have gone with Echo, do not disturb. What else? KTT strawberries. Now, I don't know how you like your keyboards, but I like mine with a little bit of fruit on the side, and of course, drizzled in Krytox 105. Now, this keyboard is so good out of the box, I didn't have to do any mods to it whatsoever, except maybe some grapes as a side dish. But don't take my word for it, let's do a sound test. Okay, I wasn't expecting it to sound that good. Maybe people are really sleeping on waffle batter as a keyboard mod. Whew. Well, now let's see if it tastes as good as it sounds. And just a little Krytox 105 over everything. Do it for the algorithm. Do it for the algorithm. Ow. And that about wraps it up for this video, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see me eat more keyboards in the future, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, support me on Patreon if you can, and until next time, geek out.